This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Henrico County. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath Cape. This Cape is located here on a block of other very similar homes. The one I am going to show you is currently under rehab. They are almost finished. They've got some outdoor work being done as we speak, including fencing on the rear, but it is a 95% complete. Today is home inspection day, so this home is under contract. I represent the purchaser. Please don't call me asking to buy this one because it is gone, but we of course can help you with another beautiful home here in the area. I had the privilege of selling my buyer's home here just a couple months ago. We found this one. It was very competitive to get it under contract, but we were fortunate in doing so. And one of the main considerations of an agent is helping with the logistics. If we are selling and then buying, we want to make sure we coordinate that properly. Fortunately, my purchaser had a place to go in the interim, but we never like to have our clients homeless. Homeless is definitely not a good look, and I've been successful in my career in not having any homeless clients, so we're proud of that fact. They are doing a great job here getting this exterior ready. This home is definitely going to be the best looking home on the block once they're complete. I had the honor of working with Jackie Vaughn with Keller Williams, and she has been a joy to work with. Real estate is one of the only businesses I can think of where you were forced to work with the quote-unquote competition. I don't really consider them competition. We become coworkers when we were trying to get a transaction closed, and she's been a joy to work with. So I thank her for allowing us to walk through and bring this beautiful home to you. Here on the exterior, we've got low maintenance vinyl. As we speak, this privacy fence is going in. They are, of course, going to run it from this point all the way there to the back of the home. This back will also be graded seed and straw, so it'll look absolutely fabulous once that yard is established this time next year. One of the things to remember when you have seed and straw going in is to make sure you are diligent in keeping that grass watered, and you want to definitely get it established to have a nice healthy lawn. One of the things I was impressed with on this home as well is they put in the sidewalk all the way to the front and even across the entire front of the home. If you are aware of properties here in this area, you know everyone doesn't necessarily get a sidewalk, but this home, of course, will have a brand new one. There is a driveway here on the right-hand side, and my buyer plans on putting some concrete or asphalt over there. That will be her parking area. And let's go in and take a look. I love here on the front what they did with the styling. We've got these nice colors, the modern numbers there. It just really makes a statement like no other here in this block. All right, as we come in, we are greeted with gray and white. This is the common color palette we see today. They went in and put the wood planks here in the closet. I love little details like that. We'll see that wood again here throughout the home. On the floor, we've got premium luxury vinyl, LVP luxury vinyl planks rather. I love the accent wall. We have a electric fireplace there, which is a really neat touch. This home has been staged. You see they even brought in the HGTV stars Chip and Joanna Gaines there as part of their staging. We go directly back into the kitchen. To the left is going to be our bedroom and bathroom wing. But before we go there, we have our owner that's here, just waiting patiently here for our home inspector to finish up. We're going to ask her a few questions. How you doing, ma'am?
I'm good.
Wonderful. Well, congratulations on getting this beautiful home under contract.
Thank you.
And we just went through a sale, and now, of course, we're here at our purchase. So what's going through your mind?
Just excited about moving in, closing the deal, and moving in.
Wonderful. Has it gone kind of quicker than you thought with your sale?
Yeah, everything went pretty smooth, yes.
All right. How many days were we on the market?
1, I think.
Yeah, say it louder so they can hear you.
One day.
One day on the market?
Yes.
All right, very good. We just like to hear from the client's mouth. And this is our daughter, and she's not going to say a whole lot. She's just going to say hello.
Hello.
All right, she's a little on the shy side, but that's okay. We're going to give her a pass here on this video. I love this area here because they have set it up in the staging as a dining space. We, of course, have the recessed lights overhead, and so that's a perfect place to put the table. All right, let's go in and take a look at the rest of this home. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
All right, we are going to start here on our bedroom wing. Here to the left is our closet number 2. Now, you notice that light just came on. I did not turn that on. They have it switched so the lights are automatic. So all you have to do is open the door, boom, your lights come on. Really neat touch. Okay, this is going to be bedroom number 1. As you can see, good size. That is a twin size bed, but you could easily get an adult size bed in here with no problem. This home does have replacement windows and modern fixtures, just a really good looking home. One of the things that is important in a buyer's agent is to make sure that when we come through, especially a home that looks really good and you're blown away, is that my buyers are protected. And when I say protected, protection comes in a few different flavors. One flavor is, of course, from a safety standpoint. I'm responsible to make sure that they're protected and they know about things like radon, for example. A lot of agents fail to mention radon. I mention it to all of my buyers, and there are many other things that are important for them to be aware of. The other thing is their money. I do my best to protect their money. There are a lot of things that could potentially go wrong in a real estate transaction if you do not move smartly in that transaction. So as an experienced buyer's agent, I am always trying to figure out ways to save and protect my client's money. That is the benefit of a buyer's agent. Thirdly, and for a lot of people, the most important is to make sure that they understand the process and the process moves smoothly. There is nothing worse than being in the biggest transaction of your life and having things go wrong and you don't understand, or things weren't explained to you, or additional stress is just added to an already somewhat stressful process. And so my job is to make sure you are fully aware. I can safely say that no one else in this area presents more information to the public with the home buying or selling process than I do. And I take great pride. I've been doing it for a long time, and it's something that's very important to me. We're going to take a look here out the back. We already saw the back from the side, but this will give you just a different angle here from this back porch. This is a really good sized lot too. As you can see, it's going to be absolutely fabulous when it's finished. Our home inspector was around here somewhere. Let's see where he is. Where did he go?
He went out.
He went outside. Okay, here he comes. We're gonna chat with him for a minute here. I want to get his perspective. How you doing, sir?
Hello, how's it going?
All right, I'm gonna give you this mic so they can hear you.
All righty.
So, who are you? Where you from?
I'm CB Schools. I work with Burgess Inspections. We do commercial inspections, we do radon inspections, and we, have an array of inspections. But today I'm doing a home inspection. That's mainly what I do. So we pretty much check everything out and want to make sure everybody's moving forward in the right direction and everybody's aware of what we have. And that's what we do.
Very good. Appreciate that.
Thank you.
Burgess is definitely one of the top inspection companies here in Central Virginia, and we are proud to have them along here for this process. Okay, let's go on upstairs. Downstairs, we had our 2 secondary bedrooms. Upstairs is going to be our primary suite. So this is a kind of a unique floor plan. This home, of course, was not built like this as far as the layout, but they did an absolutely fabulous job. Here at the top of the steps, this is a little sitting area. I envision this being a good place if somebody wanted to have a computer nearby, a desk, or they could have a chair and a TV. Just a little sitting area off of the actual primary suite. And the primary suite, of course, is right here. They did a really neat job, once again, of doing some staging to give you a good feel of how it potentially could work. We do have a door here. This is kind of neat. They put glass on this door, but it does offer privacy, so you can of course shut it here. They also brought the translucent glass here, and what this does is we have on the other side a window, and so that window will allow some natural light to pass through here into this bedroom, but also give you privacy. So that was really smart design there. Okay, this is going to be our closet here, and we've got a nice depth here. This is probably a good 8 feet deep. I know it might be a little difficult for you to see. So we've got good closet space there. One of the other things that I saw when we initially came to this home was I was wondering, okay, from a functionality standpoint, what do we do as far as our knee wall? And so I chatted with my buyer here, and she said that she could make it work. But that's one of the things that a good buyer's agent does, is bring these things up as potential questions to see if it's something that the purchaser had thought about or even considered. So she said she could make it work, and we're happy that she's able to do so. Okay, the puppy does not convey. I know someone's going to ask me. It does not convey, but on the next deal, if there's one and the price is right, we might be able to work something out. Okay, we are now in the primary bath. Now, they did a great job in here. We've got the tile, oversized shower. I said bath, I meant shower. This is coming back. Whoever picked the gold finish was really smart, because that is coming back. We've seen that in a few other homes. So if you want to be ahead of the home decorating curve, that's definitely something to think about. They also brought the same fixture in for the vanity, and marble or granite vanity as well. So really neat styling. You can see they just tied it all together beautifully with the staging. We've got some recessed lights here, and they just went all out in making this home super cute. I'm really impressed with what they did. I'm excited for my buyer. She is really a sweet lady, and I know she's gonna enjoy this beautiful home for many years to come. If you have any questions about this or any other home on the market, my name is Max Williams. It'd be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook, under Richmond Area Foreclosures on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams, Realtor. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.